stem cells are the future. As a wellness company, we needed to be part of the stem cell revolution. And with X39, that's exactly what's happened.
That's David Schmidt, LifeWave's founder, CEO, and inventor of X39, his latest breakthrough in what is wearable, virtually weightless technology. What does X39 do? It harnesses light to elevate a copper peptide proven to activate stem cells.
We're bringing regenerative science to everyone, and we're doing it safely and inexpensively.
This is cutting-edge science with no competition that's safe, affordable, non-invasive, and drug-free. With over 80 clinical studies behind it and multiple worldwide patents protecting it, the science is settled. The list of benefits using our products is long. The market's vast.
I've never seen anything like this in 21 years of being a doctor, anything coming close to doing what this technology does for people.